Browsing and launching applications. In the previous releases of Ubuntu, to launch an application, you go to the application menu at the top panel and then choose your application and just launch it. This has changed slightly in the Unity. You can launch an application in Unity using three methods. The first method is very direct. That is, you just click on the application in the launcher and then you just launch them. So I click the Nautilus and then I click on it and just launches it. The second method is using the dash. The dash is something unique to the Unity concept. You can bring the dash by pressing on the super key on your keyboard or by pressing the Ubuntu logo, which is shown on the top left location of your screen. Here's a dash, and you can see that the dash presents an overview of the application that you commonly use. For instance, it shows the internet application, your photo manager, your email client, and your music application. It also shows some categories like multimedia categories, internet application category, and any other categories. And you can also use this to find files. So let's say I'm looking for an application, for instance Google Chrome. I type in the first few words, which is CHRO, and as I'm typing, as you can see, the dash is filled with applications. So when I start with C, the list of applications, and I start to narrow down the results by actually typing the full name of the application. So I get CHOROME, and then you have left with only Google Chrome. That's what I wanted to launch. And then you use your keyboard or your mouse to select the application and you can launch it. This is the second way. The third way is by using the application lens, which is shown here. You can launch it by clicking on this icon or by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key, which is a super plus A. So when you press super plus A or when you click on the icon, you have the application lens open, and here you can quickly launch your frequently used application, or you can search for them. And the best part of this is you can categorize them as well. So if you want to search for only multimedia apps or have a glance of your multimedia apps, you can go here and you can search for multimedia. So it shows only your multimedia apps, and here it shows your installed multimedia apps, and if there are any other multimedia apps that are available to download. So let's say for internet, if I want to search for Google Chrome, I go into the internet category, and then here I can see you have Google Chrome, which is my frequently used program. And as available, you can also see the apps available for download. Now for instance, when you go to multimedia and you click on a particular app that you want to download, let's say GNOME Subtitles, and you click it, it takes you to the Ubuntu Software Center and also presents you directly the page where you can install it. So as you can see, the dash is a place where you can browse for applications and search them quickly and launch them. You can also get recommendations, as you saw, and quickly install them. In this way, Unity provides a very quick and efficient way to launch applications.